Hello and welcome! This video will show you how to use the library search engine. Many students feel confused by library websites, but don't worry. Using a library search engine is just like shopping online with Amazon or Google. You're just shopping for information instead of other products. This blue box holds the library search engine. Unlike Google, you cannot type in a full question or a very long phrase. You must use short phrases or keywords like you do when shopping. I am going to search for student loans. I type in my terms. Capitalization does not matter, but spelling does, because this search engine will not correct spelling mistakes. And I hit enter. I strongly recommend signing in immediately. If you do not sign in, you will not have full access to the information results. Use the same username and password that you use for Brightspace and email. What we're seeing now is the results preview page, just like when you search on Amazon or Google. These are just brief previews of the items available from the library. To access an item directly, click the blue button. For more information about an item, click the linked title. Sometimes, when you click the blue button, a list of several links will pop up. This means that the item is contained in more than one database. When you shop on Amazon, a product may be offered by more than one vendor. It's the same concept here. You can click any of the links and access the article. Finally, just like shopping online, you have options on the left side of the page to narrow down your results. Some of the most popular options are peer-reviewed, publication date, and source type. And that is how you use the library search engine. See, it's not so bad. It's very similar to how you shop online. You can do it. If you have any questions or need any help, please contact the library.